Taposh Sengupta now joining me from the Kolkata airport. Taposh, a very good morning to you. What are you seeing there? What is the situation like? Kolkata airport has also witnessed protests coming in from people who've been stranded there for more than 12 hours without any clarity in terms of what the next flight is or where they will be put up.
Well, yes, absolutely. It's absolutely a chaotic situation here in outside Kolkata airport, and there are people, hundreds in number, are stranded inside. There are multiple flights of the Indigos have remained cancelled, and this is the the departure section, and you can see that a temporary passage out of the departure center has been made because the persons whose flights are being cancelled are coming out through these bays and waiting outside. I've spoken to several of the passengers who said that they were scheduled to either reach Assam or some parts in other areas as well. If I can go across to somebody, excuse me, if I can talk to you. Has your flight been cancelled? It's cancelled?
Yes.
Where were you supposed to travel?
Bangalore.
Bangalore?
Yeah.
How long did you have to wait for that?
I have been in the airport at 5 p.m. It has been cancelled. Now they are saying they will reschedule. Let's see.
Okay. So any scheduled date or time that they have shared as of
For me, they have given at 10 o'clock at night.
10 o'clock at night. So you'll be waiting.
Yeah. I have to wait. It's a very emergency for me. So I have to wait.
Well, that's what most of the people that I met since morning were on emergency visit to different parts of the country. Several flights in northeastern part of India connecting to North India as well remains to be cancelled, and this have added more problem to people who have a scheduled flight today morning. Their flights are only getting delayed, but they do not know whether finally at the end of the day their flight will see cancellation or not. So there is a lack of communication undoubtedly from Indigo. They have requested passengers to maintain calm and peace, but as of now, as far as Kolkata airport is concerned, situation have not gone out of control. People are not irate, but
that is what we are understanding at this point. And even flights that have been rescheduled, they don't seem to be flying out at the time that is being mentioned by the Indigo Airlines. I'll come to Nagarjun Dwarkanath next, who's currently bringing us the updates from Bengaluru airport. Nagarjun, what exactly is the situation there? Because we see cancellations and rescheduling that's happening, but the rescheduled flights are also not flying on time. So yes, the passengers at the end of the day are still stranded at the airport without any clarity in terms of when will they get to fly next.
Shreya, what you said is absolutely true, but the communication is better here at Bangalore Airport. Since compared to yesterday, the communication is better. As soon as you come to the terminal, there's a clear board which says that Mumbai-Delhi flights that has been completely called off till last midnight. So such boards have been put up, and the display board, which is real-time, giving you updates of which flight number is delayed and which is cancelled in all three languages as well. So that is helping the passengers to have a real-time update. And while you also have the chai and water bottles being given by the airport, as you can see, there's a big counter saying, "May I help you?" The senior citizens are here as well, and then the airport officials are here trying to communicate each and every information as well. Let me try getting few voices from the people here. Sir, आपका flight delay हुआ है क्या sir?
हाँ सर, डिले हो गया.
कब का था?
वो आज का था. फिर 8 तारीख को जाना पड़ेगा.
आज का नहीं है, कोई दूसरा फ्लाइट नहीं है आप?
दूसरा फ्लाइट तो अवेलेबल नहीं है. तो दूसरा फ्लाइट दे दिया.
आपको कब पता चला? इधर आने के बाद या मैसेजेस ईमेल में?
2 घंटा 3 घंटा पहले पता चला, लेकिन जब मैं कार पे था उस टाइम उबर में था तब भी. अभी तो बहुत सारे पैसा नुकसान हो चुका है ना.
क्या वो रिफंड देने वाले आप मांग रहे? रिफंड क्या स्टेटस है?
नहीं, रिफंड बोला था, रिफंड आ जाएगा 3 से 4 दिन के बाद.
कहाँ जा रहे थे?
हम तो शिलचर के लिए, पहले गुवाहाटी का था, अभी वो कंफर्म नहीं था तो शिलचर के लिए रहना हो गया.
As you can see, many passengers are here who have got information 3 hours prior to the departure that flight is cancelled. This queue, Shreya, was completely chaotic yesterday. Now they have put barricades and people are maintaining calm here because the communication is much better. All they're seeking was communication yesterday, and now the airport authority themselves have come to the field here and are communicating with the passenger. Like you see, the moment the passenger gives them the flight number, that they would get to know the status of the flight, either
so
delayed,
Bengaluru,
either cancelled.
at the Kempegowda airport, what we understand is the situation is improving, though it's not completely what it might be, considered to be an ideal situation. But yes, it is improving since the last 2 days and what it has been. Nagarjun, Taposh, thank you for those updates. We'll keep coming back to you to understand what the situation is at these respective airports. But